Hey, good morning, guys. So check this out. See what my car is doing right now. My car seems like it's having a little issue, man. It's just going crazy. Hold on, let's see what's gonna happen right now. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. You know what I'm saying? I'm just here waiting for parking. You know, I was just sitting here just listening to some music and stuff, and I just happened to look down and look at the, dashboard, and all of a sudden I seen all the lights are just flickering. But yeah, y'all probably seen the video in the beginning when the lights was going. But let's see if it'll come back again. It's just going crazy. Sometimes the car would just act up when you're actually looking at it, but when you're not looking at it, it just start acting crazy. There we go. See that, guys? Like the power go off and on even though the car is still running. So it seems like I have like a little short thing going on here. The fan, the heat and stuff is going off. Let me turn the heat off and see what's going on. Yeah, it's still doing it regardless. I gotta get this thing checked out immediately. This is no joke. Oh man. Yeah, I'm about to pull up in this parking right now. I hope you guys are having a great Friday. I'm happy it's Friday. Friday is always good for me. You know, I don't have to really do anything. But I don't even know why the car is doing this. It's just crazy. But yeah, guys, see the temperature out here? 34 in New York. It's crazy. You know, everything that's going on now is the same thing that happened last year. You know, we received the summer a little late. You know, everything just started getting bad and stuff, you know. But yeah, so I'm good now. Yeah, guys. I'm perfect right now. Hey, good morning, guys. So I'm here in the car, and I just took off my seatbelt, so this crazy thing that's going on with the cars, it's just ridiculous, man. I gotta get this thing done soon. Very, I gotta go and check my guy and see what's going on with this car right now. I just got this electrical tester, so I'm gonna go and check the rear, see what's going on with that and going on with the issue. But somebody told me that, usually for cars like this, you would have to do a whole new wiring system change and get everything, all the wiring changed out and get new ones. And don't know how much that's gonna cost, but gonna have to make it happen, but it's crazy for a Friday morning, and something like this I was not expecting, but hey, it's whatever. I know y'all probably seen why I got the headphones on. Well, actually, I listen to music when I ride the train and stuff like that, because I don't drive to work, so I leave my car parked, take the train and stuff. So right now I'm on my way to work, you know what I'm saying, and get this money. It's Friday, So I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys do have a great day. You know what I'm saying? Be safe out there. And, take care. I hope you guys have a good one. And see you in the next video. But like I said, sometimes things happen to this car, and, I got to share with you guys, let you guys know what's going on. So I hope you guys have a great day. See you next time. Peace.